Injective protocol is absolutely soaring right now. We're seeing highs getting reached from this current market. It's really insane how high this bad boy is going to go. Let's get into some price predictions, some utility on how high we think this could be going over the next coming months in this lovely crypto run. Some really strong price predictions coming at the end of the video, guys. Really interesting stuff. Going to be referencing market caps and everything like that. But just looking at the chart right now, obviously on the weekly, we're going to jump down to the daily right now and just see how we are reacting. And in terms of market structure, what are we looking at right now? Okay, so the previous high for this coin has just essentially been tapped. Okay, it's been tapped at around $19. And what does this mean? This means we've broken the high. So the previous pullback, okay, this area here is essentially the confirmed higher low, okay? The confirmed higher low. And in terms of bullish market structure, guys, this is very strong. To have a confirmed higher low at 14.18, very good stuff. It shows that we've got a lot of movement to still stay bullish. So if we were to pull back 15, 20%, even 22% to test this level, we would still be bullish. As long as we don't break this level here, we're still in an uptrend. Trend is your friend. You ride that till the end. We're still looking really strong for Injective right now, INJ. So you're probably asking me, can I buy this asset now? Can I get in now? What's the best price? What are we going to be looking at to see how high this bad boy could go? Supports and resistances. Where are we with this asset right now? So we've just obviously cleared this area around 19.1. If you're looking for a buying opportunity, I would probably expect a pullback, okay? The pullback that I'm referring to is not going to be right now. I do think we've got more room in the tank to come all the way up to 21.47, okay? That would be the area that I would be looking for. But also we need to take into consideration there that this area, okay, we're currently sat at a very strong area of resistance. If we're talking parallel channels, guys, you can see the top side, resistance, and currently testing resistance. So if we are going to be looking for more upside from this asset, what I would be looking for here is a strong daily candle body close around $19, not below 18.6. Okay, if we get it below 18.6, we're likely to have a pullback to the downside. Now, you're probably asking, how big is this pullback going to be? And will I still be able to get in after that point, or can I get in now, etc.? Probably not. What I would say is you want to wait. Okay, it's a patience game with coins like this that have been mooning. Okay, so what we're probably looking for here is a break to the upside, a nice test of this level of support, resistance, and then coming down and then testing this level of support. If we lose this level of support and come back down, we've also got a level of support in the middle side here around $16. These are all buying areas, guys, okay? So buying areas that I'm looking for here is one just here. We've got another one when we come down and test this area here. It's going to be another buying zone on the basis that we go up here. And you basically just want to be getting every single pullback right now. Okay, you want to be getting every single pullback because I will go into how high this coin can go in the future and whether we can be looking at a 10x or a 5x or something along the lines of that, right? So we're going to go into that very shortly. But I just want you guys to be confident in the levels that you're buying this asset at. Obviously not financial advice, do your own research, all that good stuff. But yeah, so the higher low market structure point is going to be $14.18. If we lose that level, then I would expect lower momentum to the downside, probably around $9. And obviously we've got the 200 EMA coming up as well to hold support. In terms of MAs, guys, we've obviously got the 55 coming up to bounce. We haven't bounced on that yet, really. Since we've seen this massive move to the upside, we have not bounced on that. So I would expect a really clean move to the upside from this zone when we do come down, because we will pull back at some point, whether it's going to be at $21 or whether it's going to be where we are now, just testing this level of resistance. We will see a pullback at one of these areas, okay? So the buy zones I'm looking for, it's going to be off the 55, it's going to be off the 21, it's going to be off this level of support, and it's going to be off this level of support as well, okay? So that's what I would say about the daily for injection. Now let's see, Injective, and let's see how high this has. So let's see the potential of how high this could go, guys. Okay, so we all know that this is a layer 1 blockchain, and it's very interesting what this asset actually, what this asset actually does. It's it can host decentralized exchanges. You can create your own wallets on it. I think it's got the only blockchain that does automatic smart contracts or something along the lines of that. Auto-executing smart contracts. Really fascinating stuff, guys. And yeah, the potential for this, layer 1 blockchains, if we're comparing this to other layer 1 blockchains in the space, you've got stuff like Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, okay? And if we're looking at the market caps for these bad boys, they're up at around $10 billion right now, okay? They're up at around $10 billion right now. $30 billion for Solana, and with Injective Protocol actually hosting dApps as well. This is just unbelievable what this coin it could actually do in the future, okay? So if we're looking at the current market cap for this asset, it's around 1.5 billion, okay? We're nearly at all-time highs from the previous bull run, which obviously shows insane bullish momentum to the upside, because a lot of altcoins haven't even started. They're not even woken up yet. Like, we're seeing ADA wake up a little bit today, but a lot of other altcoins haven't really woken up yet. So this really is a very good sign that we're nearly already at all-time highs. So it basically says we're going to go a hell of a lot higher when we actually have that initial alt season push us all the way up. So, okay, if we're averaging a 10x and putting this at $15 billion, then the price will be 10x from here. So one Injective coin will be worth $180. Okay, so let's get that on the chart and let's see how high and how crazy this will look. Okay, I'm going to jump to the monthly here just to make it a bit more easy for you guys to see. But if this is going to 10x, the price that we're looking for is going to be around $180. I mean, as I said, guys, this is exploding right now, and there's definite room in the tank. You might be looking at this thinking, oh no, it's not feasible, this coin, but we know the fundamentals are there. We know it had an insane run last bull run, which we saw highs. It was actually kind of a bit late to the party there and pulled back fairly early. But what we are seeing now, it's early to the party. We're nearly already at all-time highs. So if we have the Bitcoin halving and we're already in all-time highs, it's going to be crazy, guys, and especially if we're competing against other layer 1 blockchains as well. We know layer 1 blockchains are really going to explode this next run, so it's definitely something I really wouldn't miss out on here, guys. And if you're thinking, oh, I don't want to buy it just yet, or you haven't got any money to buy it right now, there's going to be pullbacks, guys. We've got all-time high pullbacks at around $24. It'll probably send us back down to $18, and then we're basically going to riding that uptrend up. So yeah, the question is, can Injective 10x? I think it can. I really do think it can, around 884% to $180, and that would put it in the coin market cap race. It would put it up at around just above Doge right now. Okay, at the prices right now, it just put it just above Doge in 9th place. So I think it's completely feasible for a layer 1 project like Injective. But yeah, that's gonna be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I do appreciate it. But for now, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.